Hey everybody, welcome back to Kelly Barlow Creations. If you're new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below. Today's video, I am so stinking excited to bring you this video because this is an unboxing of a gift that my kids got me for Christmas. This gift was so unbelievably generous and amazing and exciting all at the same time, and I just can't believe that all of my kids got together and decided to get this for me because they knew how much I would use it and how much I had been looking at it. And I tell you, I don't know, it melts my heart, and it just makes me just look at my kids in awe because of the lengths that they went to get me the Christmas gift that they got me. And when I say all of my kids, I mean all of the kids that have come into my family through Ray and Kayla being their best friends. And they are kids that really are a part of our family, kids that call me their second mom. And that's just what makes it even better, is that I love Ray and Kayla's best friends to pieces, and they are such a huge part of our family and a huge part of our everyday life. And the fact that they love me just as much as I love them, and that they wanted to show me how appreciative they are of me and just cooking them dinner and just opening my home to them, because my home really is one of those homes that all of the kids come to and they have their board nights here. And what I love is that Ray is 24 and he still brings his best friends here. He still brings his girlfriends here, and Kayla brings her best friends, and they end up just having a really big game night. And that is just, it does my heart good. I love that they come home and that this is what they want to do here in my house, even when I go to sleep. And so the fact that all of my kids got together and got me this amazing gift that I've been eyeballing, I would say, for about a year now since it's come out, is just amazing to me. And I can't wait to tell you what it is if you haven't seen it already in the title. Oh my goodness, it is so stinking heavy. Oh my goodness. Yes, my kids got me the Cricut Maker. Oh my word, are you kidding me? This thing is so heavy, I really don't even know what comes inside of this and what it comes equipped with and what I'm gonna have to buy outside of it. But what I do know is that this Cricut Maker does some amazing things that I can't wait to try out. And although I won't be bringing a lot of Cricut Maker DIYs to you, it's something that I use all the time in my home. I have the Cricut Explorer Air 1, and it is something that I use all of the time. But I tell you, that Cricut Explorer Air has been amazing. I love it. I didn't feel like I was outgrowing it, but I tell you, this Cricut Maker, I have heard, does some amazing stuff and can cut some really cool things. And so I can't wait to see what this thing looks like and actually touch it. So let's not waste any more time. Let me quit my gabbing and let's open up this Cricut Maker and just see how beautiful it is, because I can't wait. Alrighty, so here on the box, it's saying that it comes with a premium fine point blade. It also comes with a rotary blade. Oh, that is neat. And one fine point pen, and that's what's included in the box. It also shows some of the additional tools that you can purchase, like this knife blade, and I'm thinking that this is the blade that cuts through some of the wood. A double scoring wheel, that is awesome. I might have to pick that up. A regular scoring wheel, a washable fabric pen, because this does, I think, cuts fabric, and a calligraphy pen. Oh my word. Those are a few items that I know I'm gonna wanna pick up to use with this. It also shows that you can attach your iPad to this. I'm not quite sure how it works, so that'll be fun setting that up. I might have to do a video on how to set up your iPad through the Air to work with this. If you all want to see more videos with this, leave me a comment in the comments below, because like I always say, I go off of your feedback. And I know that there are several of you who did subscribe to me because of some of my Cricut videos, and they are far and few between. I would like to do more because I love working with my Cricut. I just know that it's not a crafting tool that everybody has, and so that's why I don't use it too often. So if you'd like to see more videos using the Cricut Explorer Air or the Cricut Maker, leave me a comment. I am definitely going to do a tryout video of trying this out for the first time, and so that'll be fun. But for now, let's just open this up. Let's get started, it says. Okay, to begin, go to cricut.com/setup. Okay, we're not gonna set this up right now. So what comes in this box though? It comes with materials for your first project. So this is gonna be what I do the video on. And it looks like there's an envelope here. I'm not gonna open this up yet because I'm gonna save this for the video, and I will do this first project in a video. It looks like it's got the adapter here, the welcome book, and it's got the cords, a pen, and another adapter. Oh my word. Ah, look at this. Oh, it is so stinking pretty. It's heavy. There's a cord here for power. And it comes with a cutting mat here. A fabric grip cutting mat for fabrics only. Oh, how cool is that? I have a ton of mats, but I don't have a fabric mat. And I will tell you that what I have found in the past is that I try to use my regular mats when cutting with my Cricut Explorer Air, and as you can somewhat cut fabric with your Cricut Explorer Air, I bet you it's not gonna be as clean and as easy as it is with this. And I always found that the mats that I had were either too sticky or not sticky enough. And so, yay, that there is a mat out. Oh, and here is another mat, and this is a light grip mat. And that is it. Oh, this is so pretty. I can't wait to see what color it is. Ooh, it's the champagne color. Look at how pretty. I'm sorry if I keep saying that, but this is just such a pretty machine. Oh, and it comes wrapped in plastic so it doesn't get scratched. I would say it's about the same size as my Cricut Explorer Air, but there is a significant weight difference. This Cricut Maker is significantly heavier. I mean, it's got some weight behind it, which is surprising. Oh, look at that. Oh, how neat is that? So it's got the pen adapter here, and it's got the blade here, and it came with an alternative blade. And it's just as simple as the other is it's got the power, it's got the feed, and a pause button. And it's got this slot here to put your iPad. That's all that there is inside this box. I will tell you the only thing I'm a little bit disappointed on is that it didn't come with a carrying case. And my Explorer Air came with a carrying case. And so for the amount that this is, I would have thought that there would have come a case with this to put it in and out of, and so you can travel with it. And that's a little bit disappointing, but that's something I guess that I'm gonna have to look into, or try my Explorer Air case to see if it'll work with this. Maybe that'll work. I'm just worried about the weight maybe, because that case is fabric, and so I'd hate to drop this. But this is amazing. There wasn't much to what comes inside the box, but I'm excited for what was in there. You will have to stay tuned for my first DIY using this with the Let's Get Started first project and all the materials that come with it. And I will definitely be setting this up in that video as well. So let's see if I can get through this outro without getting choked up, because this message is for my kids. Ray, Jason, my adopted son, I'm his second mom, my son's best friend, whom I absolutely adore. Kayla and Allison, the fact that the four of you came together and you bought this amazing gift for me, I'm speechless. It leaves me without words. I love all of you so much. You all bring so much laughter and happiness and joy into my life. I love your presence in the house. I love your board game nights. I love our relationships, each of our individual relationships. And so the fact that you guys thought to get this for me, with knowing how much YouTube and my crafting means to me, is, I don't have words. I love you all, and thank you so much for this amazing gift, because really the only gift that I need is having all of you in my life and being able to be your mom. This Cricut Maker is absolutely amazing. It is so stinking beautiful, and I can hardly wait to see all of the amazing things that I get to make with it, to make my home just a bit warmer, to make a gift just a bit more personalized. It's stuff like this that makes my job easier, makes crafting a bit more fun, and just adds a bit of something, and just kind of is a little different than doing something from the Dollar Tree. I love working with my Cricut Explorer Air, and so I think that working with this is going to open up so many more DIYs that I can do. Thank you all so much for watching this Cricut Maker unboxing from my kids. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and let's get this video to 5,000 likes, because every one of those thumbs up should go to my kids and just how thoughtful they are. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy crafting on a budget, and bye for now. Only I don't think that this Cricut Maker was budget friendly, but I'll say it anyway. Bye for now, everybody.